Hello internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the Colourpan Project Pan. This project was created by Misty. She will be listed down below, as well as everyone else participating from the Fantastic Ladies collab group. This started January 18th, 2025. It is rolling and will finish December 18th, 2025. So, I did not update last month because I had a couple that were really close. So then I figured let's just push it. And I'm happy I pushed it because this is very exciting. So, the first goal that was hit last month was on the Colourpop Super Shock. You're not a Super Shock, you're a pressed powder highlighter. Oh my gosh. This is the shade Moonlight. My goal on this project was to use it 20 times. Since the last update, it was used 12 to hit that 20, and the goal was hit on April 19th. I'm very happy about that. This is a very pretty highlighter. I've been very much back into my pinky purpley whitey highlighters, so this was perfect. The next goal that was hit kind of was a surprise. The goal that was hit was on the Super Shock Shadow. Oh my gosh, and Dream Lover. My goal is to hit pan, and I hit pan after 3 uses since the last update, and the pan was hit on April 25th. This I might need to... I don't have Dermaline, so I gotta figure out what is similar, but this needs a little mix up because it's very flaky. So it's been weird to use because I gotta watch for fallout. Or I might just do a setting spray trick every time I want to wear it, but I need to focus on finishing that up because it is dry. But that is for another project. And the last goal that was hit for this update was from the Colourpop and High School Musical collab, the blush in the shade Wildcat. I pretty much completely removed the shape of the Wildcat logo. Words, can't think of it. My goal in this project was to use it 20 times. Since the last update, it needed 13 uses, and I hit those 13 uses on April 28th. So that's why I say I'm kind of happy that it took me a hot minute to film this because, oh my god, I am very happy with that progress. Now, I have 2 more items to show you and talk about before we talk about the 3 roll-ins. And that being said, I would really like for me to also film an update in the right time. So the day I'm filming this is the 5th. Hopefully it goes up the 5th. So these 2 items are my focuses till the 18th. First, I have my quint. This is Harmony. My goal is to use this quint 5 times. Since the last update, it's only been used once, so it's 4 uses remaining. So my goal is to use it 4 times by May 19th, 18th, probably 18th. I say 19th because I keep staring at the 19 on my paper. And this one I also think it's possible. This is the creme gel liner in Street Ball. It's like a coppery orange. My goal is to use it 10 times. Since the last update, I've used it 4, so it has 6 uses remaining. I definitely think I could focus on these in the next week-ish, week and a half, and get them done for the next update. So those 2 are my focuses. But let's talk about the pull-ins. So for the new highlighter, I pulled in the collab with Disney and Megara. This is Big Tough Girl. Once again, this is a purpley white. Like I said, I've been very much in the mood for these, so I'm very happy. My goal is going to be 20 uses. I'm going to keep the 20 use theme with all the pressed blushes and highlighters I bring in. For the blush, I'm bringing in another one from the High School Musical collab, and this is the shade Playoff. So it is a ready blush. Very excited about this. I don't think I'm panning any blush this color, so this will be fun. Definitely a standout. And then the new Super Shock I'm rolling in is in Ice Dream. Once again, with the Super Shocks, my goal is to hit pan. As you can see, this one does have a little dip, but I've been really liking shades like these, so I feel like I did a good job this time picking in stuff that I'm excited about. Especially after, if you see my empties video I posted the other day. This is what I need, so very happy about that. So yeah, hopefully you guys will see another update for this in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And hopefully these two will be rolled out so I can replace them with something else. So that's the goal. That's the game plan. Let me know what you think down below. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye.